Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find f. The first thing we need to do we need to do the integration. So I will put this one goal here. So we have the formula. So the integration of this one, we put number 3 gone here. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. The next one that is about number 2. The next one that is about 3x. And I will put about c. The integration of this one, we have f of x. 8 divided by 4, we have number 2. This one that is about number 6. So we have the conditions. That means we put number 1 gone here. So f of number 1, we have number 6. So later that we can find the value of c. So I will put this one go to the left, and we got about c equals to negative number 5. So we put negative number 5 gone here, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.